Alright, we will have two types of paper sizes. We have type A. Type A is actually shorter. It's 5.25 cm times 4.5 and we have 90 units. For the demo, I'll be using this larger one, which is double of the length and width. And for type B, we will have this one, but this is only 60 units. And for the demo, it will be double as well. And we start by having this type A, fold it in half, and open up, and we will fold it half again. Close both sides. And for this shorter one, we will do 126 on both sides. We start by the corner at this corner, and we want to bring this point to the middle here. So just do an approximate. Again, start from this corner and bring this to the middle of this section and do a swivel fold like this. And we will close this section, close here. Open this up and turn around, repeat the same. Bring this corner and this point to reach the middle. So it's okay to just approximate, doesn't really matter. And repeat the swivel fold. This one bring here like this and close this side. And for this, the next one, we will like to bring this part here, bring it inside, and so that it's hidden underneath here. And just this one, just collapse it back and hide this flap. And just fold this, and we want to make a fold that goes along the edge at the back here. Fold it like this, and this one fold up, same as the back. Just fold this down, and this one fold it up. And we have this type A. Type A, we need 90 units. And as for type B, it's a little bit longer, just a little bit longer. And just repeat the same. The first few steps is the same. Fold it like this, fold to the middle. And for one side, it will be just like type A, it's the same. Fold this like this, start from the corner here, and bring this point to reach the middle of this section. And do a swivel fold like this. Open this up, and for this section, we start from the middle and bring this point to the middle of this middle section here, like this. Right, this corner will reach the middle of this section. And do a swivel fold and close this. And for this one, just repeat, close this part. And we hide all the flaps underneath. Make a valley fold and just fold this along the edges, fold down and fold up again along these edges. Same here, fold this down along this edge and fold this back up along this edge. And we have type B, we need 60 of this. Okay, to assemble, I'll show you a diagram here like this. So we want to make this basic here, and type B we put 5 together first, and type A will just go around all this. You can screenshot this, save this up, right? And I will show you the final product. How does it look like? And we have type A, this is type A, and goes around here is type B, and I'm sorry, this is type B, and goes around is type A. You can see here, this is type B. Assemble the longer side, and this is type A, it goes around here. So type B, we have this one like this. So just assemble the sharper end, assemble it all together, you will get this. And basically just put the type A all around this. And maybe can show you a few. Okay, so for each of this side we need to assemble 3. One here. Two. Just insert it. 3. Close it back up. Okay, so this corresponds to like this, one side here and 3 of this, 1, 2, 3, and we just continue this 1, 2, 3. This is a black, a type A. Put it here like this. Here. And this one more is a black, type A. And after you have this part, this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, put another type B here, which is here like this. So as long as you follow this diagram for all the sides, it's all the same actually. So you will end up with something like this here, and just go around. Of course this is incomplete, it's not completed, just half of it. Just follow around, and after you have assembled all the sides, then you will complete the whole Kusudama.